This is your Donnelsville Elementary Announcements.
Good morning, Donnelsville. This is Mrs. Strader broadcasting live from Donnelsville Elementary. Today is Thursday, May the 2nd, 2013. Welcome to our substitutes today, Mrs. York, Mrs. Fink, and Mrs. Wright. Also teachers, so that you know Mrs. Shrimpf is out today with no sub. And we have two birthdays to celebrate. We've got Jackson. Jackson, who's your teacher?
Mrs. Morrison, I gotta tell her a joke.
You're going to tell Mrs. Morris a joke?
Yeah. Guess whose birthday's today?
I think it's yours, right? Jackson, how old are you today?
7.
All right, happy birthday. And right beside you is Bren. Hey, Bren, who's your teacher?
Mrs. Messi.
All right, and how old are you today?
6.
All right, happy birthday to you as well. All right, now let's check out our lunch. But before we do that, Zeke, go ahead and have you share with us. He's got a fact of the day for us today about the Very Hungry Caterpillar, because that happens to be our book that we're going to read today, right? All right, so tell us about the Very Hungry Caterpillar.
Did you know that the Very Hungry Caterpillar was written in 1969? That was about 44 years ago.
It's a long time ago, isn't it? We thought that was pretty cool. All right, while we're on you, can you tell us what's for lunch today?
Soft taco.
Oh, that sounds good. All right. Isabella also has a fact, so she's going to share that before she tells us about the weather.
Did you know that more than 33 million copies of the Very Hungry Caterpillar have been sold?
Did you say 33 million? Wow, that is a lot of copies of one book. All right, what about that weather?
Mostly sunny.
All right, great. Hey, now, hey, that's an inside. All right, teachers, no speech today, and please bring classroom iPads to the library today. Hey, also, tomorrow, boys and girls, is Brown Bear is our book of the day. So it's PJ Day, hey, first graders. And you can bring, we said a teddy bear, but, you know, if your favorite stuffed animal happens to be a little dog, hey, or a giraffe or something else, it's what you take to bed, it's what you sleep with, hey, that is fine to bring something other than a teddy bear with you with your pajamas tomorrow. All right, after the announcements today, we are going to be in for a special treat. Mrs. Kottmeyer, one of our Title I aides, is going to be reading our book of the day, The Very Hungry Caterpillar. And we hope everybody remembered to wear their shirts with words today, okay, so that we can continue enjoying our Eric Carle books for Hats Off to Eric Carle Right to Read Week. At this time, we're ready for our pledges, so thank you for joining us on another edition of the Donnelsville News. Have a great day. Remember, we're all here to learn. Now, stay tuned to hear Mrs. Kottmeyer reading The Very Hungry Caterpillar.
This is the most famous Eric Carle book. It's called The Very Hungry Caterpillar by Eric Carle. The Very Hungry Caterpillar. In the light of the moon, a little egg lay on a leaf. One Sunday morning, the warm sun came up and pop! Out of the egg came a tiny and very hungry caterpillar. He started to look for some food. On Monday, he ate through one apple, but he was still hungry. On Tuesday, he ate through 2 pears, but he was still hungry. On Wednesday, he ate through 3 plums, but he was still hungry. On Thursday, he ate through 4 strawberries, but he was still hungry. On Friday, he ate through 5 oranges, but he was still hungry. On Saturday, he ate through 1 piece of chocolate cake, 1 ice cream cone, 1 pickle, 1 slice of Swiss cheese, 1 slice of salami, 1 lollipop, 1 piece of cherry pie, 1 sausage, 1 cupcake, and 1 slice of watermelon. That night, he had a stomach ache. I would too. The next day was Sunday again. The caterpillar ate through one nice green leaf, and after that, he felt much better. Now, he wasn't hungry anymore, and he wasn't a little caterpillar anymore. He was a big, fat caterpillar. He built a small house called a cocoon, or a chrysalis, around himself. He stayed inside more than 2 weeks. Then he nibbled a hole in the cocoon, pushed his way out, and he was a beautiful butterfly.